What a gross in my bond, my bravo. Was it like a king about my Botaria Bobo? I will say, oh, Yagaramana, where do you need a banana and another why here to go? You go Kangavi, or come on, but I regard Obrianaka, Idigi, Ochiramaduchir and them, what I will like a kitty, Dago, where I got my crack and Gali, what a very good and them, whoever. You go to Crepoto, Necrepoto, Necrepoto, Necrepoto. Igwe Odogu madu babu alosu. Odogu jelo go bendem mo. Oji yekete bombo. Odogu la bod betira nyamwa kamwa. Odogu jero go mama mo. Oji legidi gugure. Yigiri logi na mo so di mama. Odogu bro so di mama. Akaki igu ago. Igbo kanga miri eju. Dika jero go igu ago. Odogu ayọ̀rẹ́ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ bú igbó kangalé wọ̀ káwọn sí. ayọ̀rẹ́ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ bú igbó kangalé wọ̀ káwọn sí. wọ́n bára máa bí wọ́ ibẹ̀ ní na bọ́ọ̀dù mẹ́tìrì anyamú akáwọn.
You are welcome to Darkland. The sacrifice was accepted.
Thank you. So we now proceed with the fortification for the extra powers I requested.
Step forward before the ancient deity of Zumazuza and Musanga and have your powers. Raise your hand. The more sacrifices, the more powers you get. Go and live your normal life. No man born by a woman can impair you. You are indestructible.
Musanga.
Oracle himself. Igor Kanga, the Oracle of Azum.
The Oracle of Azonga Kingdom.
Why are you crying?
Is Akweke and her sister? Are they not too young for this? How can they be mourning two people at the same time?
That was exactly what happened to us. Or was our own different?
If death is death. But they are too young for this now. They are too tender for this.
And you should know that Igwe Okanga does not care about your pains or how you feel. That man is an animal. Obitari Amiri.
Wefi, it is high time we stand on our feet. We cannot be a coward in our father's land.
It's better we die trying. We cannot be in abject fear. We are all not cowards. We are not cowards.
Wefi, call me Odumegu and Iroko. Tell them to come after you. We have to decide on what to do.
There is another power I want from Orphan.
We are brothers of darkness, the supreme kings of immortality. Say whatever you want, and you shall have it.
I want to hear what everyone says about me. Whenever my enemies speak, wherever they are, I want to hear them.
Igwe Okanga, you will have it. But remember that any request you make has its own sacrifice.
And I am ready to sacrifice the entire Azonga kingdom to get what I want.
In that case, a male virgin you shall sacrifice. It must not come from the kingdom that is related to your own. Sacrifice him, and your request shall be granted to you.
Done.
Your Majesty.
In Sukudoma community, we have 7 clans, right?
Yes. We have Azonga, Okalago, Idoma, Akabueze, Makadoma, Zulukoma, and Anikog. They all make up Sukudoma community.
Which of them is related to Azonga kingdom?
They are related. In fact, it was the man Zukudoma that gave birth to the 7 sons. They are all brothers. They are all related.
Out of the 7 clans, you can comfortably get married to any of the women out of the 6 clans, if that's what you're asking.
That is not why I'm asking. I only want to know the history.
May their days be long in Okanga.
What is going on in our kingdom? What is really happening?
What is happening in our kingdom is
If you can't beat them, you join them. That's it.
Mba. Stop saying that. I want us to beat them this time around.
Bam.
For how long shall we continue to join them, Odumegu? Let's beat them this time.
Biko. Don't tell me that you people called me out here to talk about Igwe Okanga. Yes. Odumegu, that was the reason why we called you. We are the men Azonga Kingdom are looking up to. And we cannot stand like this and do nothing. It is high time we stand up to that king.
Ambiawakam, let me warn you and bring this to your notice. He who hasn't felt or experienced the wrath of Okanga should not take it for granted.
Why Akona no?
Should not take it for granted. We lost our parents in his arms. Look at what happened yesterday.
Tell him.
A mother and her daughter was killed by Igwe Okanga. Again, how long shall we continue to say
Who even know who will be the next? It might be you or me. May the gods forbid. Biko. I beg you people with the name of the gods of our land. I beg you people. Osa okwa nishi. Nishi kana abakona osa. If you want to fight Igwe Okanga, go on. Must I follow you people? Must I be involved?
Agwa. I told you. Even before we came here, I told him that you're a coward. From time immemorial. And you've proven it. Let me remind you. He who hasn't felt the wrath of King Okanga should not take it for granted. Kangokwa gia Odumegu.
Let me tell you. We are born of this kingdom and we are brave.
Why?
We are known to be brave men, not a coward. It is high time we take the bull by the horn and stop this man for his injustice and killing of our people. Ndubisi, go and set your people free and leave me alone. See, let me tell you people, I know I've been a coward from time immemorial. But you, the brave ones, what have you people done? What have you done? Abego, what can you album? I said this. Rapuquanum.
Ajidiao. Boge says he can manage it.
Ajadere Obuefi. Rapunum. Udode. Ubasintai Achono Werench. God, JJ Kichono Werenchi Sogi. How can you tell? Ubasintai Achono Werenchi. Ubasintai Achono Werenchi. You are a coward. You said this is a coward.
It's a disgrace of a man.
He's a coward. Let him go. We will look for people that will fight him.
Chicken-hearted man.
One na kai say bapo.
He's a wicked king. If a solo ya con menui. He's a tyrant king and the wicked king. He cares for nothing, has nothing over his people, and he has no value for human life, and no regard for the gods. What kind of man is this? Igwe Okanga, hey. He's a heartless king. He do whatever he likes. He's a wicked king.
Tell me what you have to fight Igwe Okanga. Igwe Okanga, we all know that is a devilish king. A devil in a woman's form. A king who feeds on human beings to survive. And you are here telling me to join you to go and defeat. I am not natural mundo now. Odumegu, we all know these things. We know. But and we are going there fortified. Also fortified.
Of course. We'll be fortified. But we came here, first of all, for us to have a plan on how to embark on this mission. As we speak, Iroko is even aware of, very, very much aware I'm involved. Why are you backing out?
Heaven and earth will bear me witness. They want to have them. I have been saying this from the onset that I am not interested. Must I join you people? I am not interested. Ogin Nemedi. Eh? Apukwanu mo. Shikonu mebe apuo. You people want me to leave my wife and come and die there.
I told you from the onset that this man is a woman in man's form. But you insisted that we should go. Now you see.
Odumegu has really disappointed me in this life. Like you said, he who has never expressed the wrath of Onkanga should not take it for granted. It is time we do without that idiot. He's a fool.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Rise.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Sit.
Congratulations, Royal Queen of Azunga Kingdom, the wife of Igwe Okanga, Agabidu I of Azunga Kingdom. We shall now proceed to the private chamber of Igwe Okanga, Agabidu I of Azunga Kingdom. Okolosi Okalisia. Anu Boronku Nejono, otu onye anasi unabela, the greatest conqueror of the 7 clans that make up Zukudoma Kingdom.
Igwe Okanga nwoke ọkwasị ka ebute mmadụ asụ obodo akwụ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ dogwu nwoke ihe Okanga nwoke He say at last king, he do whatever he likes. Yeah, he's a wicked king. He first solo ya con menui. Yeah, he's a tyrant king and the wicked king. He cares for nothing, there's nothing over his people. And he has no value for human life, and no regard for the gods. What kind of man is this? Igwe Okanga, hey.
I do not understand what he meant by a woman that lightens up his king's soul. Does it mean I no longer lighten up his soul? Geloma, I am not in competition with you. You better choose your style or I choose it for you.
Geloma, what is it? You look worried. Is there any way that I can tell the king so that I can inform my husband? Because he wasn't around when his guard came for me.
Shh. What is wrong with you? Do you want to land yourself into trouble?
Trouble?
If the king hears this, he's going to behead you.
Hey!
Yes. Do you want to die?
I won't.
Just swallow what you just said. Swallow it. Act as if nothing happened. Did you hear me? Let's go.
Go! What is he talking?
Hello, Emego. Odumegu's wife has been taken away from him.
By Igwe Okanga?
Of course.
And what is he doing about it?
Tao, can he do anything about it? A coward is a coward. Does he want to die?
We need to go and see him.
You know, see who?
He's still our friend.
I'm not going anywhere. Let him face his problem. Huh?
Obuefi,
I am not going anywhere.
we are brothers. Let's go and see him and know what exactly he wants to do.
Let's
Let's go. Let's go now.
I greet you, Queen Ugolomo. Ugolomo, I hope you know your mission in this palace. No, I don't. And I will be glad if you make it clear to me. Good. You are here to satisfy my king. Anything less than that, you will be indirectly seeking for your end. My queen, I'll be seeking for my indirect end. Yes. And what I mean is that I will send the guards to skin you alive. My queen, please, can I beg you of something? Go ahead, I'm listening. Please, can you beg the queen to let me go? Please. No, you cannot go. You are here for his satisfaction, and that is what you will have to do.
My queen, does that mean I'm going to...
Go ahead. Go ahead, spill it out. I'm listening.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Now listen to me, Ugolomo. You will go in there, satisfy my king. Now listen, anything less than that, you won't like me. And let me also advise you, do not go there and start telling him those your sweet stories. Go there and satisfy him, then walk out. Am I understood? Now out.
May your days belong, Igwe Okanga.
Speak.
She says she wants to speak with you.
Why?
That I wouldn't know.
Bring her.
I bow before you, Igwe Okanga. I beg that you save the life of my child and I. My husband and I toiled 15 years before I could get pregnant. I beg that you show me mercy and take my life after the delivery of this child. I beg you, my king.
Rise. Prepare her for the sacrifice.
Obodo chakwanu n'ụzọ na ọka ngeti ego igwe ọkanga nwoke ọkwasị ka ebute mmadụ asụ obodo akwụ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ
Igwe Kanga. It is done.
Usanga. Sumazoza.
Oke osisi na-azụ.
Heavily pregnant woman. There are thousands of women out there who are not pregnant that he may use for sacrifice. Why the heavily pregnant woman? This is ridiculous. This is wickedness.
Why are we getting the
Guards, seize it, your maker.
What? Igwe! Get out! Igwe! What did I do wrong? Huh? Igwe! What? Huh? Igwe, because what did I do wrong? Igwe! Have I not been loyal to you? Igwe, what did I do wrong?
You are the traditional prime minister of this kingdom, am I right?
You are right.
Since you joined my cabinet, have I ever denied you anything?
No, you have been provided.
Since you became a cabinet member, have I ever oppressed you, or has anyone in this kingdom oppressed you?
Not at all.
Why do you go about lying in my name?
I am...
That is not the answer to my question.
No, it's not the answer. No.
Why do you tell people I'm an oppressor? Why?
Evil spirit entered me to say that. I didn't know when I said that. Have mercy.
anyone have any objection to my rule?
No. Your decision is final. Yes.
Igbo Okanga. Odwele no manda no nana, odwele no manda na bro kumu. Oje na mu. Odoguni na bod rechira na wakamba bo. Patije ka de di na wa aba wa ye.
Papa se ke bute mada so boda onye ki na tojo to nwoke. Okanga nwoke.
Sarah, what is after you?
You see, Umeke is dead.
What happened? What do you mean?
Igwe Okanga shot him in the palace a while ago.
Not again. What is this? Igwe Okanga. Ndobisi, I think it's high time we do something about this. We must do something about this. And it should be now. Let's do something about this. Ogini. Gods of our land. Why are you allowing this to happen to us? Why? At this point, I think it's time I'm ready to take the bull by the horn. After they say one thing must kill a man. Ogini. Ogwefi. Ogini. It is time we take the bull by the horn. It is better for us to die than stand a coward. We must do something. We must, yes. And something we must do something. Come with me. Odubegu, we are not here to mock you, but to sympathize with you for what happened.
One name. You know that the attribute of a great man lies in the ability to stand firm and achieve his target. Now that your wife has been taken away from you by this same person, Igwe Okanga, are you still backing out on our plans?
Roya, I was already prepared to meet you people and tell you whatever plans you have. Count me in. I am prepared, even if it means executing the plans now. I am ready to execute the plans. Okanga has beaten more than he can chew. Igwe Okanga might be above the law, but not above the people of Azonga Kingdom. I will fight for my people, even if it means I fight to death, than to watch him oppress us and kill us like this. It is his end and it's time we stand up and take the bull by the horn. Like my brother always said, it's only those that have not experienced the wrath of Igwe Okanga are those that takes it for granted. Okanga! Hey, Odumegu! We'll make sure that you know no peace. A child who says that the mother will not sleep will not also sleep. You have beaten more than you can chew, Okanga.
One causes can only make that man go fatter. That man needs a physical combat. He needs to be caught alive.
And that alive, we shall catch him. I wish that day would be today. I will so deal with him. I will make him pay for all his crime. And I will make sure he eats his flesh. Oh, my wife. She couldn't resist him. She couldn't resist Okanga.
Did you say resist Okanga?
Yes!
Then you would have been planning for her burial by now.
That's if we even see her corpse to bury.
You heard that he killed Omeke this afternoon.
What? He killed his own cabinet member. He shot him dead in the palace. This man needs to be stopped. Which king derives joy in killing his own people in cold blood? We need to stop him. A child who says that the mother will not sleep will not also sleep. Oh, yeah. We need to stop Okanga.
This time, Igwe Okanga has met his Waterloo. Whether he likes it or not, that man must go down.
Who has been going behind us to feed our king with the information within us? Who is that person?
Now that Omeka is dead, the person is happy, I guess.
I don't understand anything you people are saying. And what you are insinuating, I don't understand. Are you people pointing, accusing figures at me?
Ojofo, nobody's pointing accusing finger at you. Okay. The person we are suspecting is Okoro Dodo.
Yes. Okoro Dodo. I did not tell you. Or did you? Since I did not tell my Dodo, then they did.
Probably it might be because of the position given to him.
Yes, of course.
That's bad.
He told Okanga what Omeke said at his back. Now that the Prime Minister is dead, let him go and carry him and go and cook soup. Obria.
I've been thinking about something.
What is it?
What if nobody told the king anything?
Then, how did he get to know about it if no one told him?
Spiritual. You know that man is Ojena Mo.
You've said it all. Maybe he's having a secret mirror he's using in monitoring us and we are not aware.
Hey!
It's possible.
Hello, Emego Kwanani. I ain't talking at all. Now, elders, what do we do at this point?
For me, if this thing continues this way, I will run away from this kingdom.
Wait. Are you going? You want to run? Are you going to run away with your family?
Oh, do you think I will leave them behind for you? I will run with them. I will run away with them now.
This is serious.
Very, very serious. Very, very serious. Oh, look at how Menka lost his life. Odogo Menka from Naya, gone. The most painful aspect of this is that he might not even release his corpse to his family for him to be given a proper burial as a titled man. Why?
Are you saying this? Let me ask one question. Of all the people he has succeeded in killing, is there any one of them that he released the corpse to the family to bury?
He's a chief. He cannot be buried outside his home. Idea.
That is true now. It's okay.
Whether he's buried in his home or outside his home, it does not change anything. It does not change the way he died. Okay?
I'm already tired. The highest thing Igwe Okanga would do is to kill me.
And you're willing to die?
Is it not better I die than to live in this kind of place we are living? Of what use are we? Don't even think of what people call us outside, or you think they call us good names. They call us Igwe Okanga's sex slave.
Then you are. Be careful of what you say. Words have ears.
I don't care. Let him hear me and kill me than to live in this kind of place.
Keep quiet. You think we'll continue like this till eternity? Whatsoever has beginning has an end. Let's just hope that one day the cost of our land will hear our cry and come for us, please.
I'm just tired living with a man who is a beast. He only calls you only when he needs you in bed. Oh, let me talk. See, even the Ochakomaka. That one is even more wicked than the king. She just pretending.
Keep quiet though. Keep quiet. See, let's just hope that one day everything will end peacefully and we'll move out of here. Gloriously, please. Stop this thing you're saying. I don't like it though. You put us into trouble. okay. All hope is in the hand of the gods of our land. I believe he will see me through. I never planned to live this kind of life.
Greetings, my queen. What is going on here?
Nothing, my
Nothing, your queen. You think you can comfortably stand here and gossip with the king and the queen of Azunga Kingdom?
We are sorry, my queen. Sorry.
Now kneel down, all of you. On your knees! Hands up and close your eyes. Hands up! You think I'm joking? Hands up!
I'm sorry, my queen. Sorry. My queen. My queen, is the pain you want?
Shut up! Shut this minute. Now this is my instruction. You will remain this way
My queen, no. Please.
until my king returns. Failing to obey my instruction, I will order the guard to behead you.
We are sorry, please. Pay you, I told you. It's you, go to Japan. Of course, I have to look at first. I told you, once have ears.
Someone is around our house. That is Igbo Kanga.
Igbo Kanga.
Henceforth, you should be mindful of your choice of words.
Igbo Kanga has no choice of words. Bob not ever mind by anybody. Nduka, how old is your father?
My father is 95 years old, Your Highness.
Is he not up to 100?
No, he'll be 100 in 5 years' time if the gods take
Ukonkwo, how old is your father?
My father is 97 years old, he's not up to 100.
My Igwe, I think the oldest elder in this our kingdom who is up to 100 years is Ekwedike. Exactly, my king. Ekwedike and goes on. Ekwedike is older than those on.
How did I not remember Ekwedike? I need to confirm this first. Dike,
Igbo Kanga.
fetch me Ekwedike's sword immediately.
Your days belong, Igbo Kanga.
My Igwe, I am sure of what I say. Ekwedike is the oldest man in this kingdom. Nuka's father is only 97 years old.
No, 95. You'll be 100 in the next 5 years.
Good. But I will confirm it first.
Greetings, my co-wives. The king will be having a sit-out today. And we are expected to entertain him with dance. He has mapped out the prize for the best dancer. So, I wish you all luck.
Thank you, my queen.
There is something I want to ask you. What is it? Is it that you're happy here?
Ekoma, why are you asking her that kind of a question? Do you want to die? Huh?
The king kills unjust. If you do not speak ill of him, he cannot kill you.
And what are you doing now? Praising him? Ogele, do not shy away from my question.
For one day, you have not felt like you ate being brought here. Okay. Ekoma, what are you doing? Are you crying now? I am not Solo's wife. I was still single when Igwe Okanga met me.
Ekoma, are you changing the topic or you're leaving here?
Of course I will. But let some married women here show a little remorse and not total happiness with us. That's fine. You don't even care how your husband is feeling, do you? Leave me.
Ekoma or whatever you call yourself. Tell them you did not see me. Because the next time you try this, you won't like me.
Ogele, it's okay.
As long as a brother is related to me, I will keep talking to him. Can you imagine? I know a negative reaction will lead to a distraction. But please, you should show a little in your face.
Ekoma, are you stopping this or not? Huh? You know what? I'm out of here. Go. See this one? It will put you in trouble one day.
Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. N'ezie nọ n'anyị bi n'ụjọ maka eze na-egbu ndị ọ na-achị n'oyi. Ihe o anyị agabalaga n'oyi. Who do we run to? Yeah. Onye ka anyị ga-agbakwuru? Ayo, gods of our land, he knows it quite. Yeah.
My king, I have something to tell you.
Speak.
I had a dream about you last night.
What happened in the dream?
In that dream, 3 men came to attack you. Fortunately, you defeated them.
I will always defeat them. I am indestructible. I can never be defeated. I can never be conquered, physically or spiritually. I am Igwe Okanga. I am the oracle of Azonga Kingdom. So do not worry, my love. Do not worry.
Thank you. I am now encouraged. Now I can call the number for you.
Go ahead.
You cannot continue like this.
I miss you so much. I miss you too. But you have to be strong. I've tried. My strength has left me.
Don't say that. Your strength is in you. Try to be strong. I promise you in no time, Igor Kanga will eat his flesh.
Until then, will I become strong again?
I need to go now.
Akweke, food is ready. Oh my gosh, Akweke, what is it now? For how long will you continue like this now? Eh? How long will you continue like this? Why are you still doing this now? You miss him so much. You have to be strong. You have to be strong. You have to be strong. He will definitely pay. Let's get up. It's okay.
You are blocking my way to my house. Ije mmụọ ji eje ọgụ na ọgụ ada akpọ ihe kwuru ya n'oru agụba ka na-agwụ idu onye ga-agba mmakwu ọnụ mgbịrịgba na-agba ọnụ ekwu maka magwụbara ya dike n'obi anya kataba egwu mmụọ ọ bụ ka ọ na-adị m udere kpọnụ maka dike na ike na-eri ụka bịa ebe mgbu na-egede nasịrị ya anya oge oku n'ugwu dị nsọ ebe ahụ ga nọrọ kpanụ ma bunite ihe enu dị gị jebe na ide gị nwere ude onye karakwa ebu oke mmụọ Igwe.
There is a new law in Azonga Kingdom. It will be implemented from today. Any woman who gives birth on Eke Market Day must present her baby before Okanga Shrine for sacrifice.
The big most spirit of Azonga Kingdom.
Does anybody have any objection to my rule?
No objection. Mmanwụ kwụsị okwu obodo ada ekwughasị ọ nke nwa bụ ọkanga bụ mmiri riri enyi nke nwa ka agbakọtara bụ ka a ji ekwu anụ akpọ mmụọ a na-ama aka maka anụnụ bụ anụnụ agba anụnụ zukọtara na-achọ kedu ego agba anụ ma bụrụ eze ka ọ gba anụ ma dọrọ ya bụrụ n'aka agba gagasịrị ga na-egwu osimiri ọsị tụfịa na ọ bụrụ ọgwụ na ọ bụrụ ọgwụ na ya ma nje agba gagasịrị mmanụ akpọ anụ mechere anyanwụ aka mgbe ọsị azụgbakwa ndị ọgụ chere oye n'afọ na ọ dị ka akpọrọ ngị nwa bụ agagasịrị ga odogwu akpọ ngị nwa na-akpọ mechiri anyanwụ aka mgbe ịkpọ ma tụghe ite n'ụlọ ukwu eze gịrịgịrịgede m anụnụ bụ anụ na-ekwu ọkanga bụ ikiri gị egbu eyi iyi mere na asaa
I didn't mean to block your way.
I do not adorn this anymore. This is my house. Can't you find another place?
I have connection to watch my people from here.
You have connection to watch your people how? Can't you watch your people if you go to the other side?
I can't. I have tried, but it's not working.
I do not want to be disturbed again if I come back.
Come out and fight us like a man. You buy you. An elephant doesn't cry and fly you. The presence of the lion. You go Ganga. Face this man. Stop being a coward and fight us. Fly you. Let me see. Come on, Atanga. 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 Stop out and fight me like a man and stop being a coward. Atanga! Atanga! Step out and fight me and stop being a coward, Atanga! Fight me! Fight me like a man, fight me! Atanga! Atanga! Come out and fight me like a man! You go, Atanga!
Mada puta ilo yo iwe mwana tu yegu mada na tu yegu yeah Ọkanga nwoke obodo chakwanụ n'ụzọ na ọkanga etinyego igwe ọkanga nwoke ọkwasị ka ebute mmadụ asụ obodo akwụ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ dogwu nwoke ihe ọkanga nwoke
Igwe Okanga.
Find the chameleon, cut the tail, roast it, and bring it to me at once.
May your days be long.
n'ezie mmụọ mmadụ apụta ilo yo
Our own is gone. My husband has been killed. And even my own life too is at stake. What are we going to do?
I thought that man is not going to come back again.
Honestly, I wish he had died where he went to.
I have a plan. Let's run away.
Run away to where? That will be more dangerous. Okay, let's go back to the palace and tell the king that we're forced out of the palace.
Right?
Yes.
I think you have a point.
What point does she have? How can she be the one suggesting to go back to the palace? You see? I said it. I said it. You like it here, you're just pretending.
Ekoma, be reminded we are no longer in the palace. Because if you talk to me anyhow now, I am going to beat you up.
Down. Eh? You beat me.
I've said it.
Beat me.
Okay.
Beat me.
Ekoma.
Tell her to beat me because I am saying the truth. How can you, a married woman, suggesting to go back to the palace? Aren't you the one that was supposed to be rejecting the suggestion?
Ekoma, I don't like how personal you're becoming these days. What is your problem? Is it Tugelema's fault?
It's not her fault. It's not her fault. But there is something I am expecting from a married woman like her. It's not the other way around.
What and what are you expecting from her? So you want her to die?
Don't mind her. Or maybe you think I don't know your plans. You want your cousin to get married to another woman. But let me tell you, Koma, your plans will not work. It will not work, yeah?
It's okay now. You're far from the truth. Of course, if I want to do what you just said now, it's simple. But that's not my intention.
Look, people should stop this thing. And let's talk. Are we running away or we are going back to the palace? Going back to where? Me, I'm going back to the palace, so.
You see? You see what I am saying? You guys see? You see?
Jump into the river for all I care. Go and jump into the river.
Okay, Loma, it's okay. Let's just finish our discussion in peace.
Finish what? With this idiot. Me, I'm on my own. Ekoma, I don't like this. And don't repeat it again. Did you hear me?
What? What are you looking at?
I don't know you and Igwe Okanga. Who's
He do whatever he likes.
What kind of dream is this?
What is the essence of going back to the palace when the king has taken the only man that I have on earth? Going back there will change nothing. So let him come and kill me too.
Okay, Loma, don't you think you're getting all this wrong? Let's go back to the palace, please. Or do you want us to die like this? Huh?
Okay, Loma, it will not make sense if anything happens to you. Let's just go back. After all, your husband is dead. Can just manage Igwe Okanga.
What did you just say now?
I'm just trying to help. I'm making a suggestion.
Leave my heart now.
Calm down. Okay, Loma, please.
Do not make me repeat myself. Leave! I'm just helping. Let's go back. I'm looking out for you.
Do not make me repeat myself. Leave!
Calm down now.
I'm looking out for you. I'm not. Come on, let's go.
Allow me talk to her now. Okay, Loma, you to leave. You're trying to save your life. I said leave!
Iloma, come with us.
Leave! We're here to save your life, oh. We're here to save...
Leave! So what is Ugeloma going to do now?
I honestly feel for her. This is a girl that was newly married.
Does it mean there is nothing anybody's going to do to this man? Is he above everybody?
Who will challenge him? The only way is for our gods to arrest him so that he can die. Then we'll be free from his bondage.
So if the gods does not arrest him for the next 50 years to come, he will still oppress us this way.
There is no solution except death. Let's just pray that death locates him. Then we'll be free. Let me look for something to eat. You know, it's already afternoon. So let me get something ready for us, okay?
What is it? What are you looking at like that?
I saw someone and I wanted to know who he is.
Someone passed here?
Yes.
But I didn't see anyone.
We are different.
Igwe Okanga. It wasn't our intention to leave the palace. When she left, we knew it was going to be a very bad news if you hear it. So we went to get her.
Where is she?
She refused to come with us.
Yadele. Go to Odumegu's hut. Fetch Ugeloma at once. Why did you refuse to return?
What use will it be when the only man that I have in the whole wide world was taken away from me? Or do you want to kill me the same way you killed others?
Is that what you want?
Yes. Go on. Life has no meaning again.
Then die.
N'ezie nọ n'anyị bi n'ụjọ maka eze na-egbu ndị ọ na-achị n'oyi anyị agabalaga n'oyi. Who do we run to? Onye ka anyị ga-agbakwuru nụ? Ayo, gods of our land, ịnọzikwa ya, ife menu, ife menu obodo, ife menu obodo anyị ebelebe
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you.
You're intentionally looking for my trouble.
I cannot intentionally do that. I want to beg you for something.
What is it?
I am thirsty.
You need water.
Yes. Can I come?
You mean to come into my house?
Yes. I want to know your house.
This is incredible.
That's my kingdom. How come?
I knew you are from Azonga from the first day I saw you.
You do?
Yes. And that was why I agreed to give you the water and bring you into my hut.
Who are you?
I am a Yama, the messenger to the deity of Azonga.
What? You are the servant of the gods. Our people have been crying out to him, but he turned his deaf ears on them. Why?
The deity of Azonga is powerless now as we speak. The spirit was caged in the Azonga palace by the king. I was chased out of the kingdom by different forces I cannot explain. I tried so many times to help out where he was killed. But I couldn't. All their cries and oppressions, he hears them. But there is nothing he can do.
I was killed and sacrificed to his gods.
You don't need to tell me the story because I know it. I watched it happen. That day, your mother was killed by the guards when she tried to stop them.
Yes. Please. My spirit has refused to rest until Igwe Okanga is captured. Let's join hands together and get your kingdom back.
I cannot go back. He has closed all the entrance to the kingdom. Like I told you earlier, I am only a messenger. I don't have the power to fight Igwe Okanga.
He blocked the entrance, but I saw you. I saw you in Azonga Kingdom when I went to see my twin sister.
Where? When?
I will lead you.
You cannot lead me until something is done.
Something like what?
Oh my God. Fatima, you're here. I've missed you so much. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I need to deliver a message. Get 7 alligator pepper with red oil and a day-old egg. Tell Uncle Okeke to go with you to the shrine. Tell him to throw the 7 alligator pepper inside. Pour the red oil and break the egg inside too.
Thank you so much for all your efforts.
I need to go now.
She has gone.
Your days belong in your Okanga.
Speak.
A man is outside to see you.
Let him in.
Igwe.
Igwe Okanga, a butterfly who thinks himself a bird.
How dare you?
I'm not here to banter words with you, or to tell you that Idoko wants you to let these people go.
How dare you stand before me, Igwe Okanga, the oracle of Azonga Kingdom, and spit such nonsense? Are you not afraid?
You have from now till the next Eke Market Day. Surround yourself and do as instructed before you incur the wrath of the gods.
Die! Guards! Lock him up.
Igwe niile kwu ka na-ekwu mmụọ agagasịrị gị oke mmọnwụ na-eri mmụọ mmụọ na-eri mmụọ anapụdị ka ịdị etu ihe adụ kedu aga gachiri ụzọ si na Igwe Okanga ama nga jụ ọchịcha ji ga pụta ka Igwe Okanga gosi gị na ọ bụ nyekịrị pụtụ n'ihi onye ga-agba ọdụmagba aka na amara azụ aka mgbe echere na anyanwụ na obibi mmadụ egwu ode na mmụọ kedu ya ga dachiri ụzọ bụ ịcha acha ji ga kwupuo na Igwe Okanga ama nga pụta ka o gosi gị na ọ bụ nyekịrị pụtụ igwe nyekịrị pụtụ agbakadịghị iji anụ ya n'aka agagasịrị ka nke na-egwu osimiri nwata gbuo osimiri ọkwara agbọ igwe mbụ na agụ mgboti mmụọ mbụ na-egedepụ gị n'azụ tibe na chi gị goziri
Did you forgo? Yes, we did. Immediately we broke the egg. We saw an old man holding a camel at the shrine. I ran away.
You did?
Yes.
What of Uncle Okeke?
I don't know, me I ran.
Gods of our land, please fight for us. We have suffered so much in this land.
Sister, I can assure you, our liberation is at the corner.
May the gods of our land do it as he has said.
You know, he did this kind of thing. I never believed that Igwe Okanga would touch any member of this kingdom again. Look at how small we are. We are getting lesser every day. I'm tired of this kind of thing.
Honestly speaking, I will not be happy if anything should happen to my father. That man is 95 years old. I will not for one reason or the other lose him. I will not take it to.
My fellow chief, let us look at it at this angle that I'm saying it. Somebody came to his palace, threatened him. He held the person, tied him up, and then he called us, asking us who the person is. What kind of problem?
You know this somebody. Can you hear mad GC way continue?
Now let me say it. Icho Jofo, Icho Ndoka. Any day you come to my house to look for me and you did not see me, just know that I've run away from this kingdom. I'm tired. Chibo Anodo. Every day one problem. I'm tired. If I may ask, who is that man?
Who are you asking? In Ajum, Konyeki in Ajum.
Let me approach this matter. That man is not ordinary man. That man is not ordinary man. Let me tell you. for him to be able to mention Idoko, a very strong deity in Amon's kingdom. Igwe Okanga should start to trade with caution.
You are right.
You are very, very right.
Yes, because Idoko. Idoko na hacha.
How come? Who opens the pores where the gods are caged? Or did the gods speak to him from the port?
I want to know why he refused to die. I spoke the word, yet he did not die. Why? After I ordered my guards to lock him up, I went to the back of the palace. I checked the pot, and the pot was still covered. I want to know what is it. I will fight him. I will fight him and whatever he represents, and I will conquer them. I am Igwe Okanga, the Oracle of Azonga Kingdom. I will defeat them. I want you to know that I am ready to do whatever it's going to take, even if it means sacrificing everybody in Azonga Kingdom. I will bring their heads here today.
Igwe Okanga, it is not a war. Only you will fight. Because the entire kingdom were against you. We will go with you to fight the gods. But it will cost you the blood of your wife to bring us to mortality.
I have many wives. Which of them do you want?
Your first wife is chosen for the sacrifice. Mention our names and spill her blood. It will bring us from immortality to mortality.
Hey. 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 No. My king. No. No. Has it gotten to this? No. You can't do this to me. Not like this. Igwe Okanga. Igwe Okanga. The Oracle of Azunga Kingdom. My own king. Have you forgotten? We started this whole thing together. We planned it all. We got them all. Have you forgotten? You brought in so many other women. And I never objected for one day. Because I want you to be happy. Because I love you. You once told me you love me. Please. Do not do this to me. I beg you. I beg you. I love you. I love you so much. Do not forget we promised ourselves old age. Do not let us end this way. We promised to end together. Do not forget that. I love you, my king.
I love you too, my queen. And I will always.
Thank you.
Always.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, my king. Thank you. I will always love you.
Sanga Sumazoza.
Wakanga woke obodo chapanu n'ụzọ na ọkangeti ego igwe ọkanga nwoke ọkwasị ka ebute mmadụ asụ obodo akwụ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ togbu nwoke ihe ọkanga nwoke
Igwe Okanga, may your days be long. 2 men are outside looking for you.
Who are they?
They said their names Azumazunza and Mozanga.
Let them in.
Igwe.
Sanga.
Igwe Okanga.
Sumazoza.
Oracle of Azunga. Jele. Mau. Okalamwa. Mau. Dike.
You're welcome to my king.
Thank you.
Let us proceed to the throne.
Zumazunza, Mozanga,
exactly the names he mentions during his sacrifice.
Gods of our land, oh.
These two men are my friends. They have come to see me from a faraway land.
No, welcome. You're welcome.
Dike, get the prisoner.
On behalf of Igwe Okanga's wives, I welcome you to Azonga Palace.
Beautiful women of Azunga, your faces are shining and looking bright. Oh yes, you go, Okanga. You are taking good care of them. Are those guys that went out to punish that man, are they back to the palace?
Not yet. The moment they return, they will report to me.
That man has met his end. But he will know that no matter the weight of an infant, it cannot cause an earthquake.
I will keep on punishing him until the 5 days I gave to him elapse. Then I will sacrifice him to my gods. Did you notice that?
Why do you prefer to die? Old man, why do you prefer to die?
I like him. He's a stubborn man. I like stubborn men. But I also love dealing with stubborn men. By the time I'm done with you, your lineage will run at the mention of the name Igor Kanga.
That should be in the land of the dead.
Certainly.
Nesiano nanyi binucho, nucho. Maka ese ne wundo na chinoi. Yo.
Like I said before, these two men are my good friends. They have come to see me from a faraway land, and they have come with good tidings. They are here for the good of Azonga Kingdom. Therefore, every family in Azonga Kingdom must pay homage to my friend. Each family in Azonga will present to my friends 4 tubers of yam and a he-goat. Does anybody have any objection to my rule?
No objection.
My elders agree to all. Like Igor Kanga said, we are here for the betterment of Azunga Kingdom. And I promise you that before we leave, Azunga Kingdom will be a loving kingdom which other kingdom will emulate.
And in addition,
for what he said, maximum cooperation is all we ask from you people.
I agree to you, my king. The big most spirit of Azonga Kingdom. Ha! Okago. Igbo Kanga. And that's credit. Aubrey Informer. You people are welcome. Thank you. We are happy to have you in our midst. And we promise you too that we are going to be cooperative to the best of your satisfaction. You are welcome.
Inform the town crier. Tell him to spread the message before it gets dark.
The big most spirit of Azonga
What is your name again?
Yama.
Who fortified you? Who sent you to my palace?
Itoko sent me. He said you should let these people go. And then next 4 market days.
Then what will happen after 4 market days?
You heard him. After 4 market days, what will happen?
His wrath will befall you.
Why are you here all alone? And you're crying. My queen. My queen. Ogini, what is it? I slept off and I saw Mpurumu. Yes. Where are you going to? I saw her here. I saw her leaning on this tree. Yes, here. What was she doing? I don't know. Before I could even ask her what was wrong, she disappeared. Igo, I'm scared. Ichoma, it's okay, let's leave here. Before Igo can go, scissors, let's go. I'm scared, Igo.
A decree has been made by the king that each family in Azonga kingdom is mandated to pay our visitors homage with 4 tubers of yam and a e-goat each in the next Nkwo market day. This is the message from Igwe Okanga. Onye nulu ya kolibia.
This is where Igwe Okanga is going to kill me. Because as far as I am concerned, I am not taking even a single tuber of yam. Talk more of he-goats to the palace, all in the name of paying homage to those useless visitors. Restores my food.
I regret each day that passes by. Had it been a man, you see Igwe Okanga, I will make sure he pays for all his atrocities in this kingdom.
That man is going to die a shameful death. The gods of our land will not allow him to go scot-free.
Birds of the same feather. They always flock together.
Let's wait till Nkwo market day. Ogologo okwu adrona afia mgbede. Since Igwe Okanga has lost his conscience, I too have lost my conscience. The highest thing he will do is to kill me the way he killed our mother and our sister. I am not more afraid of him, and I can never be. I can never be afraid again.
But sister, my question is it that the elders cannot do him anything?
They cannot. If they talk, they will be killed.
How did he get to this level that nobody is challenging him or challenges him?
You say challenge. Do you know what happened to Ndubisi and others there who went to challenge him? He killed all of them.
Ewo. Sister, this is not good though.
It's very bad indeed.
He say at last king, he do whatever he likes. Yeah, he's a wicked king. If a solo ya con menui, yeah, Is a tyrant king and the wicked king. He cares for nothing, has nothing over his people, and he has no value for human life and no regard for the gods. What kind of man is this? Igwokanga, hey. He's the Atlas King. He do whatever he likes. Yeah, he's a wicked king. If a solo ya con menu, yeah, he's a tyrant king and the wicked king. He cares for nothing, has nothing over his people, and he has no value for human
what are you doing?
no regard for the gods. What kind of man is this? Igwokanga, hey.
Where's the second line?
Go and get
Hey, come on, please let me check for the second line. Please let me up. Paul, it up and go. I don't want problem. Shift to this side. See, leave very quick. I don't want this way to get upset.
There's no water for the palace. So when you're done with that, go and get water for the palace. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Okay, bye.
Better.
You're too slow. Stand up. Go and pull water.
Go to the stream now.
Message from the king. Get the water after washing the yam.
Okay, we'll do just that. Thanks.
Ask the command to get the second line. You're just so slow in the sparks. I don't understand. Don't forget.
Fetch the pot down. It's all the way. Fetch it.
Iwa kanga bodagu nwata gbuo osimiri ọ na-akpa anụmakwụrụ agba anyị anọtawa mmiri riri enyi igwe ọkanga na ịgba ọkụ na-agba n'igwe ọkụ na-agba ọzara ma kpọọ ya ntụ igwe ome nke ụmụudo oke mmụọ ada agụ ajọ ọnụ maka ifepụghị n'azụ erika ihe dị ya bụ ọ dị atọ n'obodo ndị a ji-ekwu iru ama mmụọ nwata gbara igidi okwute mmiri ọkanga ụja na mmụọ igwe ọkanga
All the families in this kingdom paid homage to my friends, except your family. Why?
I don't have family anymore. After you took my mother and my sister away the same day.
How dare you?
How dare me, you said. And you killed my mother and my sister for your selfish interest. And here you are asking me, how dare me?
Yadele.
Your Majesty.
Take her away. Give her 20 strokes of cane and lock her up. Continue.
Ayakata mmụọ na-akpọ mkpu. Ayakata mmụọ ji eje ije. Egbe ha na-agba ndị mmụọ. Onye arụba bụ otu isi ya. Onye sị na ọbụlị ya gịnị ka ọ ga-eme ma igwe ọkanga nọ nso. Odogwu akpọrọ ntụ gbaragharị. Oke mmụọ. Agagasịrị ga n'ọrụ mgbe iji egwu osimiri nwata gbuo osimiri ọkwụrụ agbọ. Onye ekwukatara akpụghị ya mkpụ. Mmanwụ ọgaranya. Ịda na-edina ana na ibu na oke igwe. Igweribere biri oke mmụọ.
What is it? Why are you shouting?
I had a dream. A dream? What dream? I had a dream. You see, Igwe Okanga asked his guard to flog me.
Flog you? What did you do?
He said we did not pay homage to the visitors that came. That it's only our family that didn't do that. So he asked them to flog me.
Because of that, wait, is it pinning you?
I don't even know. I don't know. Don't touch me first, wait.
I will ask you again, before everybody here. It will do you good if you speak the truth. Who are you?
Igwe Okanga. I am only but a messenger from the gods. Itoko sent me to tell you to let these people go. Else, you will incur his wrath.
Tie him up and drag him round the kingdom.
Are you ready to sit down?
Who do we run to? Ayo, gods of our land.
You, Ego, and Dijono, they all ran out from the palace and said Igwe Okanga has been captured. So this dream about Igwe Okanga, I don't have any business with them.
Let it not be that he wants to come after us because we do not pay homage to his useless visitors.
Let him come after us now. I am waiting, let him come. I thank the gods for your lives, at least for running out of the palace.
Don't thank the gods yet. Because this is exactly what happened the last time this happened. We're happy because of our freedom. Not knowing that wasn't the real one.
Don't be afraid. The next news we hear is that Okanga was captured.
How sure are you people about all this? Because I am not going back to that house until this whole thing is over.
Accept what she told you with faith. Igwe Okanga will not go free this time around. I can assure you.
Whether assurance or no assurance, I am staying here. I am not going back to that palace. If the gods wins him, I am going back to my house.
But if he wins the gods, I am leaving this kingdom forever and ever.
Don't be scared to fight if you're called. Because this fight is for everyone.
Akweke, you're very funny. What makes you believe that people like us can fight Igwe Okanga? Oracle himself.
See, if they give me Odieshi now, I am ready to fight that beast.
I like the gods, but that man is a beast. And I hate him with passion.
Someone who made me an orphan. But you see those men that he brought to fight for him, those are the people that will kill him.
Ise, gods of our land, please don't let him defeat you. Please, I beg you.
Ego, did you see the way that man, that heartless man, killed Mporoma, his beloved wife? Did you see it?
That man has no heart. I don't think it's blood that is running through his veins because he doesn't behave like a human being, even when he's making love to you.
The first day I was with him, I almost died. At a point, I had to choose death. I was ready to resist him because he was so hard on me. He was going quacka, quacka, quacka. Like as if I was a bench. You know when you're doing something you don't have feelings for? You know, right?
Dad, the funny part about it is that he doesn't even care to know how you're feeling, to know if it's paining you or not. Like you said, he'll just be hitting you quacka, 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 quacka. He doesn't even want to know if it's paining you. Me, I'm tired though. I'm not going back to that palace. I'm not going back.
Let's go. See, this kingdom will not see my leg again until that man is pronounced dead.
I will not return even when he's dead until 4 days. Then I'll come back.
Why 4 days?
What if he wakes up? If after 4 days and he doesn't wake up, then I'll come back to Fiakwam. May the gods forbid. That man, he wasn't born by a woman.
Exactly, my sister. The people he claims to be his parents, they said he killed them.
Oh, someone who killed his parents. What does he think of his subject?
May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid, my sister. When I get to my maternal home, I will just sleep. Let's go before
Only
sleep. Let's go. Out of peace of mind and good food. I will celebrate in a big way with my family. Celebrate! Let's go! I cannot keep these things. I cannot keep all these things. I can't keep all these things.
Mwana tu yegu, madana tu yegu,
Okanga, Okalos, Odagulagi, Telanga, Wakamba, body, Katraka, Okanga, Wakalos,
Okanga,
Who are you? Who are you? I am Igoku, the gods of Azunga Kingdom. I sent my servants to tell you to let my people go. You refused. Instead, you punished him.
call yourself? I am the Oracle of Azonga Kingdom. I am Okalamado Kalamo. I am Igbo Kanga. I am the Oracle of Azonga Kingdom. Spirit or mortal, nobody challenges me. I always conquer. Can you hear me? And I must continue my sacrifice.
Let my people go. Igbo Kanga, or you will die.
Can you hear me? I am indestructible, impossible. 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 I can never be defeated. Hear me. I can never be defeated. Can you hear me? Impossible. I said it is impossible. I can never be defeated. I am Igbo Kanga. Okalamado Okalamo. I am Igbo Kanga. I can never, ever be defeated.
Igwe na-agba nku ka a na-agba idu na idu na-awa na na-ada awa ihe kwuru ya. Ọkara mmadụ dike a na-agba okenye a na-agba ji dị ụra afịa. Igwe ọkanga, Igwe ọkanga, onye nke ọdọrọ, Igwe ọkanga. Hey! Gịnị ga-egbu eke?
Yes. Die, not that. I cannot die. I am walking back. The oracle of my soul.
Mmụọ mmadụ apụta ilo yo mmụọ na-atụ ya egwu mmadụ na-atụ ya egwu ọkanga nwoke obodo chakwanụ n'ụzọ na ọkanga eti ego Igwe ọkanga nwoke ọkwasị ka ebute mmadụ asụ obodo akwụ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ togbu nwoke ihe ọkanga nwoke mmadụ apụta ilo yo mmụọ na-atụ ya egwu mmadụ na-atụ ya egwu ọkanga nwoke obodo chakwanụ n'ụzọ na ọkanga eti ego Igwe Igwe Kanga nwoke ọkwasị ka ebute mmadụ asụ obodo akwụ onye ka ị na-atụ ụjọ